If you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone and haven't changed these 3 camera settings yet, you're probably not getting the best photos and videos possible. These hidden settings can improve your shooting experience and help you capture better content every day. Let's fix them right now. Setting number 1, exposure lock. First, let's talk about exposure lock. Have you ever started recording a video and noticed the brightness suddenly changing while moving the camera? That's because the camera is automatically adjusting exposure. To fix this, open the camera app, tap, and hold on your subject until you see AEF lock appear on the screen. This locks both focus and exposure, preventing annoying brightness changes during recording. Why is this important? Because your videos look more professional, more stable, and more cinematic. Whether you're filming outdoors, indoors, or creating content for YouTube, exposure lock helps maintain consistent lighting throughout the shot. Setting number 2, start camera in last used mode. Next is a feature many Galaxy users don't know about. Open the camera app, tap the settings icon, scroll down and select settings to keep, then enable camera mode. Now your camera will remember the last mode you used. For example, if you were recording video and closed the camera app, the next time you open it, it will launch directly into video mode instead of photo mode. This saves time and helps you capture important moments quickly without switching modes every time. It's especially useful for content creators and anyone who records videos frequently. Setting number 3, keep high picture resolutions enabled. Finally, let's enable one of the most useful settings for high-quality photography. Go to Camera Settings. Settings to keep. Enable high picture resolutions. When this setting is turned on, your phone will remember if you selected 50 megapixel or 200 megapixel mode. Without this option enabled, Samsung automatically switches back to the default resolution whenever you close the camera app. By keeping 50 megapixel or 200 megapixel active, you'll always be ready to capture maximum detail photos without having to change the resolution every time. This is perfect for landscape photography, travel photos, and images you may want to crop later.